Tomorrow's AI-powered smart cities will turn science fiction into reality. They will be powered by a vast network of collaborative AIs, which will handle every aspect of city infrastructure. Transit networks will be adapted by AI to match demand, with autonomous vehicles that can reroute to stem the flow of traffic. Massive swarms of AI construction drones will transform the city skyline at lightning speeds, while bioengineering algorithms generate unimaginably beautiful green spaces. AI-led crisis response teams will not only tackle emergencies with unprecedented speed, they may even be able to predict and avert disasters before they happen. AI-enhanced neural implants will take smart city life to new heights, anticipating the travel needs of citizens before they even say a word, and personalizing the journey experience via emotionally intelligent algorithms. This may all sound exciting, but what if a hacker gains access to the AI and holds the city at ransom? Would you want to live in an AI-enabled smart city?